December 18, it's around 9 o'clock. Having the evaporator replaced, recharging the freon, which lasted a couple of days, 2 3 days. And so I went back and they did a leak test. So it turned out there's a leak here. So this is the expansion valve. According to the aircon guy, something got plugged here, and because it got plugged, something was pressurizing this side, and so it cannot hold the pressure, so it leaked here. This is some sort of a plate that moves up and down. So I had this replaced, and the whole thing cost a little close to 2,000 peso. So what does it all mean? Well, after 5 6 years, things begin to fail. So the fan failed first because most often we have the engine on and we have the aircon on, so fan. And then the evaporator leaked. In fact, when the evaporator leaked, the air blowing into the circulating the air, it was low. Like, I noticed that. And then so we had the evaporator replaced, and we got that done. Now this leaked, so I have it replaced. Well, it's been 2 days, so so far the freon seems to be okay. It's holding the pressure. So I ask, what next? So he says, well, in the compressor there's a clutch and pulley, and he says that will fail next. And when he listened to the running of the compressor, he sort of guessed that it might last a year, maybe a little over. So I said to myself, well, knowing these things, once you find something, it will fail the next day. That's life. So I ordered the parts from Lazada. It's around 1.5. It's a pulley, clutch, and something else. So that would be coming in soon, and most likely by the end of December I would have it replaced. So because things fail when you don't want it to fail, so I want to make sure that when I do replace things, I would have another 5 years before things goes haywire. So thanks for watching.